How to verify your phone number on WhatsApp. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to verify your phone number on WhatsApp step by step. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. If you have not installed it yet, download it from App Store for iPhone user, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, open WhatsApp app. You'll see this home page. Click on Agree and Continue. Now you need to choose your country. So at the first field, click on it and choose your country. After that, on the second field, type in your phone number. Then tap Next. WhatsApp will ask you to confirm the number you type. Tap OK if it's correct. You will now receive a 6-digit code via SMS. WhatsApp usually detects it automatically, but if not, just enter it manually. If you did not get the code, tap Resend Code or choose Call Me to get a voice call instead. Once the code is verified, you are all set. WhatsApp is now linked to your phone number and you can start chatting. And that's it. This is how you verify your phone number on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.